Okay, so next up we have the Cossack squat, which is a great way to build some range, some mobility unilaterally across both legs and allow us to get deeper in a squat. So we can use a light weight early on because it actually helps us get deeper and create more stability. A lot of people can't get down with just their body weight. So if we use a light kettlebell, what we're looking to do here is initiate the movement by driving the bum back, creating space for the hips, and then shifting across to one leg. Now what you can see is the knee is tracking above this small toe, so what we don't want to see is buckling in through that kneecap. We want to try and keep a tall torso, knee outside the big toe or tracking over the middle toe, and we're keeping our chest tall. So the counterweight here is actually going to help us stay deep in that position. And then we're going to switch to the other side. So spend some time in the bottom range. There's a few variations we can do. We can either go down the bottom and go straight from one side to the other and really isolate the hamstring and create a bit of range of strength through there, or we can stand tall and then get the adductors a lot more by driving the hips forward and then swapping over to the other side. So play around with both and see which variation is more beneficial for you.